Episode 2. What is blockchain? Bitcoin from scratch. Understanding the digital revolution. Blockchain, or chain of blocks, is a distributed ledger technology that stores data in securely linked blocks in an immutable and transparent manner. Each block contains a set of transactions or information and is cryptographically linked to the previous block, forming a linear chain. This structure ensures that once information is recorded, it cannot be altered retroactively without modifying all subsequent blocks, which would require consensus from the majority of the network. The operation of a blockchain is based on a decentralized network of nodes, computers, that validate and record transactions. When a new transaction is made, it is grouped with others into a block that, once verified by the nodes through consensus mechanisms, is added to the existing chain. This process eliminates the need for intermediaries and centralizes trust in the system itself, creating a secure and resilient ecosystem. One of the most important features of blockchain is its decentralized nature and use of cryptography, which underpins the security and transparency of transactions. Since it does not depend on a central authority, it reduces single points of failure and the potential for manipulation. Furthermore, being a public and accessible ledger, any participant can audit transactions, promoting transparency. These features make blockchain fundamental for the operation of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, as well as for various applications in sectors that require reliable and transparent records. Beyond cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology has potential applications in a wide range of industries. In the field of logistics, for example, blockchain allows for efficient and secure tracking of supply chains, providing real-time information on the origin and status of products. This reduces the risk of fraud and increases consumer confidence in the quality and authenticity of goods. Another sector where blockchain is being explored is healthcare, where it is used to ensure the privacy and security of medical data, allowing patients greater control over their information. By utilizing blockchain, medical institutions can create a unified, secure, and transparent record of a patient's medical history, which can be accessed only with the patient's consent, ensuring privacy while enhancing healthcare coordination. In the financial sector, blockchain is revolutionizing the way transactions are conducted and assets are managed. Decentralized finance, DeFi, allows for the creation of financial services without the intervention of traditional institutions, such as banks. Users can lend, borrow, and exchange assets directly using smart contracts that execute automatically when certain conditions are met. These smart contracts, which also operate on blockchain, are transforming how agreements are executed, reducing costs, and increasing efficiency by eliminating the need for intermediaries. The use of blockchain in finance is also contributing to greater financial inclusion, particularly in underserved regions where access to traditional banking services is limited. Moreover, blockchain is beginning to have a significant impact on electronic voting systems. By offering an immutable and public record of each vote cast, blockchain could ensure more secure and transparent electoral processes, making fraud more difficult and increasing public trust in the results. Blockchain-based voting systems can help safeguard voter privacy while enabling an accurate and verifiable election outcome, potentially transforming the way elections are conducted. Similarly, in the real estate sector, blockchain is being used to register property titles, which helps reduce bureaucracy and streamline the buying and selling process, guaranteeing the authenticity of documents. The potential to automate and simplify property registration can lead to more accessible property ownership for individuals. Another emerging application of blockchain is in the field of non-fungible tokens, NFTs. NFTs allow artists and digital creators to register ownership of their works and sell them directly to consumers, eliminating the need for intermediaries. This is transforming the art and entertainment industry by creating new opportunities for creators and allowing buyers to ensure the authenticity of their acquisitions. In addition, NFTs have expanded to represent a wide variety of digital assets, including collectibles, music, virtual real estate, and even in-game items, making it possible to create new economic models within digital environments. Blockchain technology also plays a key role in supply chain management, providing transparency and traceability from the point of origin to the end consumer. This has important implications for industries such as food and pharmaceuticals, where knowing the exact source and journey of a product can be critical. Blockchain's ability to create a secure record of each stage of production and distribution helps to ensure the quality and safety of products, reducing the chances of counterfeiting or contamination. For example, consumers can access verified information about where their food came from, how it was processed, and how long it has been in transit, giving them confidence in the quality and sustainability of what they are buying. Blockchain is also being implemented in identity management systems. Current digital identity solutions are often fragmented and vulnerable to breaches, but blockchain offers a more secure and user-controlled alternative. With blockchain, individuals can have a self-sovereign identity, meaning they control their personal information and decide who has access to it. This is especially valuable in regions where access to official identification is limited, providing people with a reliable way to prove their identity without relying on government infrastructure. Blockchain-based identity systems are already being used for digital identification, know your customer (KYC) processes, and even border control, with the potential to streamline and secure identity verification processes. In the entertainment sector, blockchain is enabling new methods of funding and revenue distribution for artists and content creators. Musicians, for example, can tokenize their albums and sell them directly to their fans, offering exclusive content or shares in future earnings. This not only helps artists retain a greater share of their earnings by reducing intermediaries like record labels, but also allows fans to engage more deeply with the artists they love. The transparency of blockchain also means that revenue distribution can be automatically tracked, ensuring that all parties involved, from songwriters to producers, receive their fair share. Blockchain's influence is also seen in the charity and nonprofit sector. By providing a transparent and immutable record of donations, blockchain can help ensure that funds are used as intended, enhancing donor confidence. Donors can track their contributions to see how they are being spent, which can lead to increased trust and, ultimately, greater generosity. Some platforms are already leveraging blockchain to create donation systems where every transaction is visible, thereby eliminating doubts about how funds are managed. Another significant area of blockchain application is in the energy sector. Blockchain technology is being explored for use in decentralized energy grids, where individuals can produce renewable energy, such as solar power, and sell it directly to their neighbors without the need for an energy company intermediary. This peer-to-peer energy trading model could potentially revolutionize how energy is produced, distributed, and consumed, promoting sustainability and reducing reliance on traditional energy infrastructure. Smart contracts ensure that energy transactions are seamless, transparent, and fairly priced based on real-time demand and supply. In summary, blockchain is a technology that extends far beyond the operation of cryptocurrencies. Its ability to provide security, transparency, and decentralization makes it a powerful tool with the potential to transform numerous sectors. As more organizations and governments recognize its value, it is likely that we will see an increase in the adoption of blockchain-based solutions in the coming years. Whether in finance, healthcare, supply chains, real estate, entertainment, or energy, blockchain has the potential to reshape the way we interact with the world, offering solutions that are more efficient, transparent, and fair. Objective: this episode aims to understand the technological infrastructure that makes Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies possible, providing a solid foundation on how blockchain ensures security and transparency in digital transactions. It also seeks to explore the various applications of this technology across different sectors and how it could impact our daily lives in the future, highlighting the transformative potential of blockchain beyond the realm of cryptocurrencies. Disclaimer: this content is educational in nature and does not constitute investment advice.